Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Touareg. This is the 286 R-Line Tech that we have on sale here. Bit of a rare car. This is, although on an 18 plate, it's been down on show at Volkswagen headquarters. New was over £72,000 and it's got so many options on. Probably will forget to mention some of them. It's got the LED matrix headlights. You'll notice this little function at the front there that you don't often see on Touaregs. This is the night vision, so it will represent heat sources on the screen, so will help for safety features. It's got the 21-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. It's got the panoramic sunroof, which you see on the top. Keyless entry. Absolutely stunning vehicle. Just over 800 miles it's done. You got your electric tailgate at the back. You've got a electric tow bar, so the tow bar button you would just press like so and then give it a couple of seconds and the tow bar electronically pops out like so. So there's no fiddling about and closing it. It's just done in the same manner, which when it's done you press it and again it pops back up again. So it's a nice feature to have, so you're not getting your hands dirty. And then locking the car boot is done in the same way. And you've got the sweeping indicators at the back, like you see. So it's a really special car. It's got the Savona alloy leather interior, which you see there, the grey and black. It's got two USB ports at the back for the rear compartments. It's got separate heating controls at the back, and then it's got the sumptuous panoramic sunroof. So as we jump now behind the wheel, you've got the electric seats. A lot of the features on this you'd notice more at night. So push button start. It's got the Dyno DX sight pack. It's got obviously navigation, so when you put the navigation screen on, it's fully on there. And then you've got obviously all the night vision extras on there as well. So like I say, it is a really special car. This really nice to drive, heads up display as well. So if you are interested in a very high spec car with a massive saving, then please make sure when you inquire you ask for myself, that's Phil Sadler, or my colleague Youssef. We're the internet specialist team that can help you with this inquiry, so make sure when you inquire you ask for either myself or Youssef. And thanks for watching. Bye.